In this video, I am going to solve for x in this given equation. The easiest way to solve for x in this equation is to get rid of the denominators. We have two denominators, 10 and 18. So 10 and 18. What is the LCD of this? 10 is 2 times 5. 18 is 3 times 3 times 2. So it's going to be, there is a 2 here, so 2, there are 2 3's here, so 2 3's, then there is a 5 here. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, times 5 is 90. 90 is the LCD. 10 goes into 90, 18 goes into 90. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply both sides of this equation by 90. If I did that, 10 goes into 90 9 times, so it's going to be 9 times negative x plus 4 plus 1 times 90 is 90 is equal to 18 goes into 95 times, so it's going to be 5 times x, 5x. Now I use the distributive property to simplify it. 9 times negative x is negative 9x, then 9 times 4 is 36 plus 90 is equal to 5x. Now I'm going to bring the x terms to one side and constants to the other. Subtract 5x from both sides. If I did that, I get negative 14x plus 126, because 90 plus 36 is 126, is equal to 0. Now I'm going to subtract 126 from both sides. If I did that, I get negative 14x, this and this cancel out, is equal to negative 126. Now in order to solve for x, I need to divide both sides by negative 14. So divide it by negative 14. Negative 14. On the left hand side, negative 14 and negative 14 cancel out. And on the right hand side, this negative and negative is going to cancel out. 2 goes into 14 7 times, and then 2 goes into 126. 6 times 2 is 12, and 63. Oh, it turns out to be a nice number. 7 goes into 63 9 times. So your answer is 9. Now this is the solution that we got. However, we kind of need to check. Sometimes with these rational expressions, the solutions don't satisfy the equation that you're dealing with. In that case, you may not have a solution. So in our case, we found x equal to 9. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this value and plug it on the left hand side. I will get a value, then plug it on the right hand side and I will get a value, and I'm hoping that both of these values are going to be the same. So left hand side, let's call it LHS, left hand side, negative x plus 4 divided by 10 plus 1. So my x is 9, so it's going to be negative 9 plus 4 over 10 plus 1, which is, by the way, negative 5 over 10 plus 1, which is negative 1/2 plus 1, which is, by the way, just 1/2. So the left hand side evaluates to 1/2. Then let's see if the right hand side, it evaluates to 1/2 as well. Right hand side is x over 18, which is 9 over 18, which is, by the way, 1/2, because 9 goes into 18 twice. So both left hand side and right hand side are equal. That means the solution that we got, in fact, is the solution to the given equation. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.